Suspense.
The first step. The next was to sit down and figure how do you get into a big game with no dough. That one I couldn't figure. I had an idea, but I had to find out if it'd work or not. I knew one thing. If you want to win big, you have to take chances. And I took one when I walked into the bar.
Mr. Regan.
Hello, Harry.
Well, like old times. What'll it be, Mr. Regan?
Well, let's try your scotch.
Sure. Haven't seen you around for a long time, Mr. Regan.
I've been out of town, Harry.
Vegas?
Yeah, Vegas.
Where's your suntan?
I stayed indoors.
I guess you did. Water, soda, what?
Just like that, that's fine.
That's smart. Only way to take it.